Hey everyone! Today, we're going to explain crypto mining in a simple and easy-to-follow way. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how it works and why it's such a key part of cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency mining is the backbone of many digital currencies. It is the process that validates transactions and adds them to the blockchain. Think of the blockchain as a digital ledger that records all cryptocurrency transactions. Miners are like digital accountants who make sure everything is correct and secure. Decentralization is a key principle in cryptocurrency. This means that no single entity, like a bank or government, controls the network. Instead, a distributed network of computers verifies and confirms transactions. This makes cryptocurrency more resistant to censorship and fraud. Miners play a crucial role in maintaining this decentralized system. They use their computing power to solve complex mathematical problems. This process, known as proof of work, ensures that only valid transactions are added to the blockchain. In essence, mining is the engine that keeps the cryptocurrency world running smoothly. It guarantees the integrity and security of the network. Cryptocurrency mining may seem complicated, but it can be broken down into a series of straightforward steps. Let's take a closer look at how the mining process works. When someone makes a cryptocurrency transaction, it is broadcast to the network. This means that the transaction details are sent to all the computers or nodes on the network. Miners gather these pending transactions and group them together into a block. Think of a block as a container holding multiple transactions. This is where the mining competition begins. Miners use their computational power to solve a complex mathematical puzzle known as a cryptographic hash function. The first miner to solve the puzzle gets to add the next block of transactions to the blockchain. Once a miner solves the puzzle, the newly verified block is added to the blockchain. This block becomes a permanent part of the blockchain's history. Mining serves several critical functions that are essential for the health and security of cryptocurrency networks. Let's explore why mining matters. Mining ensures that all transactions on the blockchain are legitimate. By solving the cryptographic puzzles, miners verify the authenticity of transactions and prevent double spending. The decentralized nature of mining makes it extremely difficult for malicious actors to attack or manipulate the blockchain. The computational power required to control a majority of the network, known as a 51% attack, is prohibitively expensive. Mining is how new cryptocurrency coins are created and introduced into circulation. When a miner successfully adds a block to the blockchain, they receive a reward in the form of newly minted coins. Mining is essential for maintaining the stability, security, and trustworthiness of cryptocurrencies. It is the foundation upon which these digital currencies are built. While mining plays a vital role in the cryptocurrency ecosystem, it also faces several challenges. Mining can be energy-intensive, requiring significant amounts of electricity to power the computers. This has raised concerns about its environmental impact. The cost of mining equipment and electricity can be substantial, especially as the difficulty of mining puzzles increases. This can create a barrier to entry for individual miners. As mining becomes more competitive, it can be challenging for individual miners to compete with large mining farms. The future of mining is likely to involve more energy-efficient mining algorithms and a shift towards renewable energy sources. Additionally, alternative consensus mechanisms, such as proof of stake, are gaining popularity as a less energy-intensive way to secure cryptocurrency networks. If you've made it this far into the video, chances are you'll enjoy our next one. Common trading mistakes you must avoid. It's packed with valuable insights to help you trade smarter. We also have videos tailored for complete crypto beginners and those looking to take their trading skills to a pro level. Don't forget to check them out.